Hey, I'm Alex. Thanks for joining me again today. For today's video, I wanted to share a pretty amazing workflow I created for my previous sales team. But before that, let's give some context on what prompted me to even build this. Our reps were already at full capacity but needed to increase output. The problem was after every discovery call, they were spending 20 to 30 minutes organizing notes for the account executive. The thought process was, how can I give back my team time so they can focus more on the things that will actually get them more pipeline? So I built an AI agent in N8N that automatically analyzes the call transcript and structures it using the spin model, situation, problem, implication, and need payoff. Now, reps can stay fully focused during the call, and the AI sends a clean summary straight to Google Docs for the AE. The result? Each rep saves up to 2 hours a day, AEs get consistent, high quality handoffs, and our sales cycle moved faster than ever. Let's dive into the sample workflow I built to illustrate how this can be done. Later, I'll show a more realistic version using a common sales tech stack, but this example keeps things simple so you can see the logic behind it. First, the workflow starts with a manual trigger. When I click execute workflow, this then connects to the get transcript node, which pulls in a sample Google Doc and a real setup. This would be the actual meeting transcript from your call platform or note-taking tool. Next, the document is passed to the sales ops agent powered by Claude 3.7. This is where the AI reads the transcript and processes it based on our prompt. In this case, it analyzes the conversation and summarizes it using our structured spin framework. Then we have the organize and structure data node, which cleans and formats the AI output so it's readable and consistent. Finally, the post-structured call notes node automatically updates the formatted summary back into a Google Doc, ready to share with the account executive or the CRM. So in just a few steps, we've automated what used to take 20 to 30 minutes of manual note-taking after every call. I'll quickly show you the Google Doc where I generated a sample discovery call transcript. It's 3 pages long and gives us enough information to illustrate how you can build your own. Going into the Google Doc node, you can see the content we pulled. We feed transcript into our AI agent named SalesOps, and let's take a look at our system and user prompt. In the user prompt, we let the agent know what input they are expecting, which we drag from the Google Doc node. In the system prompt, let's quickly read what instructions we gave. You are an expert B2B sales enablement assistant trained to analyze discovery call transcripts between a sales representative and a potential client. Your goal is to distill the call into a clear, structured summary following the spin model: situation, problem, implication, need payoff, and include actionable notes for the account executive. Use the following structure in your output. Situation. Briefly describe the client's current environment, business context, tools, or workflows based on the conversation. Then we have problems, implications, and next steps. I won't bore you with the whole prompt, but think about your own sales process and embed your own unique structure to the system prompt to get your desired output. After we receive the output from our AI agent, we quickly run this through our function code to structure the final discovery call notes based on how we would like to present the data and put them in another Google Doc. Clicking into our final node, you can see we successfully put our newly structured call notes and uploaded into our Google Doc. Here is the final output. You can see that the call is summarized and structured exactly the way we instructed our sales ops agent to do. Of course, this is a raw workflow that just paints the logic of how this could be done. However, I put together a more comprehensive workflow on what this actually might look like for a business who has a standard sales tech stack. We have our HTTP request node that triggers when Gong sends a call to the workflow. We get the details of the call and run it through our sales operations specialist agent. We run it through the same code function to structure the data, and finally, we edit the Salesforce field that houses the call notes traditionally. Thank you all for joining me today. I hope you found this useful. Feel free to comment or send me a DM on a workflow you would like me to build, and I can see what I can do. If you're interested in a free strategy call with me to see how automation can help your business, please visit my website and book a time at salesout.ai.